Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about how to change T-Mobile Wi-Fi password. So guys, also we'll have the official tutorial on the screen so that you have a visualization. So firstly guys, connect your T-Mobile network. Ensure your device is connected to your home internet network via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. After that you need to access the gateway interface. You need to open a browser and you need to search. Basically type in this address right here into your search bar. So you just copy that or just manually input it into your address bar. Right, after that, log in to the admin panel. So when prompted, you will need to enter your admin credentials. For most T-Mobile gateways, the default username is admin and the password is printed on the bottom or back of your T-Mobile gateway device. After that, you need to navigate to your settings. Once logged in, locate Wi-Fi settings or network settings tab. After that, in the Wi-Fi settings, find the section for your 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz networks. Update the password field with your new secure password. For better security, use a mix of uppercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And save it, of course. After that, on your devices, select your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network and enter a new password to regain access. And that's it. Your T-Mobile Wi-Fi password is now changed. Hopefully this helps you out. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, see you in the next one.